So this is a quick video, guys, of how to jumpstart your Dodge Challenger. So I'm using a X5 here. Just have a quick connect up front here, and there's a ground right here. If you come back to the Challenger, this is just a quick connect here also. You connect. So what you do, you connect up here first. Always connect the positive first. So you connect the positive here, and then you connect the positive there, and then you connect the negative here, and you let it run for a while. I don't know, maybe about 2-3 minutes. Okay, so we had this running for about 2 to 3 minutes now. Let's try to start it. Okay, so I tried the remote start, but the hood is open, so it wouldn't start like that. That's how you boost your car. Alright, folks. So when removing the cables, just like I told you at the beginning, you put on the positive first and the negative last. You take it out back in reverse. The negative is going to come out first, and then the positive last. You see, the positive fell off, and that's why you don't want to remove the negative first. I mean the positive first, because if the positive come off and fall off your hand while the negative is connected, it hits somewhere, you probably fry your computer. So you don't want to remove it like that. You always want to put on the positive first and the negative last, and remove the negative first and the positive last. And you do the same thing with the vehicle that you're using. You take off the negative first and the positive last. And that's it. Okay, so here's a quick breakdown of what happened with the car. So I connected an amplifier. This was just a quick connect. I just wanted to get some extra bass in there, but I really didn't have the time to do the connection properly. So I just did a quick connect directly to the battery, and I jumped the RCA cable from the speaker up in here. My intention was to put a 8-inch sub there, but that 8-inch sub didn't have enough bass for me. It just wasn't enough. It was a shallow mount, and a friend of mine loaned me this just so that I can hear. This is a little bit too big for my trunk. It takes up half of the trunk. I mean, this is a big trunk. It have a lot of space there, but I don't want the big thing inside there. I just wanted to hear with some. And so I went on vacation for a few days, got back, battery dead. This amplifier is supposed to shut down when there's no signal to the speaker, but probably it didn't. Like once there's no signal here, it should shut down. But I mean, I don't know. I guess it didn't. So what I should have done was unplug the fuse. This is just, like I said, this is just a quick connect. Don't do it like that. I'll show you though. So this is the shallow mount kicker I got. This just didn't really have any bass to it. Maybe in a box, maybe, but that just wasn't enough. So that's what happened with that car. Alright guys, hope this helps.